First of all, name of Allah. Hi. In this CSS tutorial, we will learn about anchor pseudo class. In body tags, we will use heading level 2 and close our heading level 2. Heading, we will use comment. Syntax, semicolon. Underneath comment, we will use open p element and close a p element. In between p elements, we will use dummy tags just for learning. Copy, paste into paragraph, and we will use a tag, hashtag equal double quotes, and use link and close the a tag. So we will apply CSS on this hyperlink. In head tag, we will use internal CSS, open style tag and close style tag. In between style tags, we will use CSS property and value. Select values a represent to a tag, and after that we will use open curly braces and close curly braces. Background color colon orange, semicolon, and color colon white. Press the build button to save the file and go back to the browser and reload the page. As you can see, we use the background color orange and text color into white, and text decoration none. Press the build button to save the file, go back to the browser and reload the page. As you can see, we use the text decoration none and underline has been gone. Pseudo class and use link. Press the build button to save the file, go back to the browser and reload the page. Now we use underneath a tag and colon link. So we will use command and use visited. Asterisk use / underneath comment. We will use a tag, a selector represent to a tag, and use pseudo class and use visited. Open curly braces and close curly braces. In between curly braces, we will use background color colon blue, semicolon. Underneath font size colon 20 px, semicolon. Press the blue button to save the file, go back to the browser and reload the page. As you can see, we use the visited pseudo class and use color it white, semicolon. Underneath visited, we will use / asterisk use and we will use mouse over. In between curly braces, we will use CSS property and value. Background color colon ink, semicolon. Press the build button to save the file, go back to the browser, reload the page and mouse over. Open curly braces and close curly braces and background color use colon black, semicolon, and use command / asterisk and use selected link. Asterisk use / and a pseudo class active must come after a pseudo class h over in the CSS definition in order to be effective. We will create another link, a open it at href equal double quotes and use link to and close the tab, a tab and close the tab. So we will use a selector and pseudo-classes use, and class selector use user age and so after that we will use pseudo-class use colon and use age over, open curly braces and close curly braces. In between curly braces we'll use color colon brown semicolon, and this class selector and user h over selector using in href a tag class attribute use equal double quotes, in between double quotes we will use user h over selector and use underneath color brown we will use font hyphen size colon 20px. Mouse over the link, its color change in brown, and we will change its background color. Scroll left and use background color colon light blue semicolon. Press the below button to save the file. Go back to the browser and reload the page. Mouse over link 1 and mouse over background color and text color also change into brown. Pseudo classes can be combined with HTML classes. When we h over the link, it will change color.